Hey guys, so in this session we will be modeling using modifiers. There is a cube and we resize it using hotkey S to change its shape so that we could make a small cute room out of it. We are resizing it using the hotkey S. Now it appears like the shape of a room. Now press tab in edit mode, delete a vertex. Now it looks like the view from a room. Now in object mode, shift plus A, add a cube. Select the room and apply Boolean modifier. Now click on the icon and click on the object which is the cube. We do this in order to make cut in the wall. Now select the cube and select viewport display and change display as from texture to bound. Grab the cube and make cut on the wall. Use the hotkey G to grab the cube. Now you can see the cut on the wall. Resize it so that it appears in the shape of a door. Now it kind of appears like a door. Position it. Now shift plus D and make a duplicate. Now select the rest of the room and add Boolean modifier. In that object place, select cube 2. Now grab the cube 2 towards the other wall. Use the hotkey G to grab it. Resize it so that it looks like a window. Now we need to remove the outer face of the cube. Before that, apply both the modifiers. Now choose edit mode, select the session and delete vertices. Now delete the cube as we don't have any use of it. Shift A, add a plane so that we could make window panels out of it. Resize it. Grab it towards the window. Now it is in its correct position. Now rotate it so that it would give a realistic view. Now add array modifier to multiply panels. Set count at 2. Select panels. Try changing its position. Now Ctrl plus A, choose all transform. Now change the values. You can see the difference. Change the values such that the second panel will be in its right position, right below the top panel. ensure the positions before increasing count. Now it is in its right position. We can increase the count and our window panel is ready. We apply the modifier. Now choose a cube. Resize it. We need to make a table out of it. Add mirror modifier. Now in edit mode, Ctrl+R and add loop cuts on both the sides. Ctrl+R and add another loop cut. Now grab it. Now in edit mode, press 3 to choose face mode. Shift plus choose another face. Now E to extrude the faces. Resize it, grab it, rotate it, and place it in the right position. We are intending to keep the table near the window. We are again resizing it. Now it's ready. Now Shift+D and duplicate it. We are intending to create a study table. We are resizing it. Grab it slightly. Now Shift+A. Add another cube. Resize it. Add subdivision modifier. Resize it again. Now in edit mode, Ctrl+R to add loop cuts. Again we will be adding loop cuts. Now we can change the viewport display. In case anything goes wrong, just press Ctrl+Z to undo. We are resizing it again. We are doing this in order to make a sofa. Now we duplicate it. Again we are going to duplicate it. Now rotate the last duplicated part. Grab it and place it in right position so that it would appear like a sofa. Now it's ready. Shift+Select all the parts. Now resize the entire sofa. Grab it and keep it in right position. Now we need to duplicate this sofa. We are resizing it so that we could have a smaller one that we could place near the study table. Grab it towards the study table. Now study table and chair is ready. You can make adjustments according to your choice. Now we need a door. Resize it. Our door is now present in bounded mode, so we change it to textured mode. We grab the door and place it in right position. Now we need a door handle, so we choose a UV sphere and resize it. We slightly smoothen it. It's almost getting ready. Yes, now it's ready. Now Shift plus A and add another cube. Now let's place a book in the table. For this purpose, we use this cube. Now it's almost ready. We can resize it again. Now it's in its right form. Let's create a lamp now. Hide the entire thing in collection box by hiding the collection box. Now add a cylinder. Resize it. Use hotkey S to do it easily. Switch to edit mode. Press 3 to select face and I to insert keyframe. Now E to extrude. Again I. Now base is ready. Now grab it. Resize it. Rotate it. Now in object mode, add path and place it in the center of base structure. We are adjusting it so that it would be in the center of the base structure. Press numpad 3 so that we could correct it easily. Now increase its depth. Now in edit mode, grab the points in the NURBS path using the hotkey G so as to make it a curved shape. Now select both the parts and hide them. Now Shift plus add a UV sphere. Resize it. Use toggle X-ray to see both sides. Now in edit mode, choose half the surface of the UV sphere and delete the vertices. Now in object mode, resize it in the Z axis. In object mode, resize it in the Z axis. We resized it. Now it looks fine. Now unhide the rest of the lamp. So the bottom portion is here. Now we grab the top part and we place it near the bottom part so that we could join it. We select the entire thing, resize it. We keep it aside. Now we are unhiding our whole collection. Now we need to keep that lamp over the table. So we are grabbing it and we are trying to place it over the table. Almost over. Now we have a little room. Now click Z, choose rendered mode. Adjust lighting. Use the hotkey G to grab the light. And you can see the difference as we move the position of the light. Now change render properties. Render engine to cycles.